For centuries, railways have been the veins of our civilization. But what you are about to witness today is not just a means of transport. These are engineering marvels that defy gravity, rolling palaces that redefine luxury, and impossible machines that push the boundaries of human imagination. From the peaks of the Andes touching the clouds to magnetic tracks levitating above the ground, we will explore the iron masterpieces that change how we see the world. Welcome to a journey through the most incredible trains in the world that you won't believe actually exist. We begin in the heart of Europe, Switzerland. Technically, it is called an express train, yet the Glacier Express holds the unique title of the slowest express train in the world. Why? Because here, speed is the enemy of beauty. For 8 hours, this train creeps across 291 bridges and through 91 tunnels, piercing through walls of ice and deep valleys. With panoramic carriages made entirely of glass, you don't just see the scenery, you are inside it. This is a symphony between human engineering and the untouched majesty of nature. From the silence of the Alps, we leap into the future in Shanghai, China. Forget wheels and friction. The Shanghai maglev does not touch the rails at all. Using magnetic levitation technology, this train hovers 1 centimeter above the track. Imagine traveling at 431 kilometers per hour. Inside the cabin, you feel still, but outside, the world streaks by like a blurred shadow. This is no longer about traveling. It is about conquering space and time with pure electromagnetic power. In Japan, railways are not just an industry, they are an art form. The 7 stars in Kyushu is the pinnacle. To board this train, money alone isn't enough. You must win a lottery due to overwhelming demand. Every corner of its carriages is the work of master craftsmen, hand-polished rosewood, intricate kumiko-designed windows, and hand-painted porcelain sinks. This is a moving 7-star hotel, a tribute to Japanese tradition meeting unparalleled modern luxury. Now we climb toward the sky. In the Andes of Argentina lies the Tren a las Nubes, or the train to the clouds. It is one of the highest railway lines in the world, reaching altitudes of over 4,200 meters above sea level. This line was built in the 1920s, an engineering challenge deemed impossible at the time. As the train crosses the curved La Polvoria viaduct without visible safety railings, you will feel as if this iron is gliding on thin air, cutting through the white clouds that shroud the mountain peaks. We move to the African continent to experience the nostalgia of a grand past. Rovo's Rail is often dubbed the most luxurious train in the world. This is not just a journey, it is a time machine to the Victorian era. Imagine dining in tuxedos and evening gowns in a magnificent dining car, while outside the window, lions and elephants roam the wild savanna. With private suites featuring freestanding bathtubs, Rovo's Rail proves that in the heart of the harsh African wilderness, human luxury can still shine incredibly bright. Back to Japan, but this time we look forward. The sweet train Shikishima looks like something out of a science fiction movie. Its asymmetrical and futuristic design challenges all conventional train aesthetic logic. Inside, there are small forests, glowing fireplaces, and bathtubs made of fragrant Japanese cypress. This train is not just a vehicle, it is a living, breathing organism. Shikishima symbolizes the Japanese philosophy of harmony between high technology and deep inner peace. Why do we continue to build these extraordinary machines? Why are we not satisfied with just flying above the clouds? The answer lies in the romance of the journey itself. Trains give us a perspective that airplanes cannot. They force us to see every inch of the land we cross, to appreciate every bridge built with sweat, and to feel the heartbeat of the earth beneath the iron wheels. In this fast-paced world, these trains remind us that sometimes the destination is not the most important thing, but how we get there. Of all these engineering marvels, which one would you most like to ride someday? Is it the astonishing speed of the maglev, or the serenity above the clouds of Argentina? Write your choice in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration. In the Tech Logic. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next track.